Today's topic is dark reaction. The another name of the dark reaction is biosynthetic pathway. Another name is biosynthetic pathway. What is the reason of biosynthetic pathway? Synthesis of the glucose molecule. Glucose synthesis. This is a light independent reaction. Light independent reaction pathway. Light independent. Not directly depends upon the light, is indirectly depends upon light through the ATP, depends upon ATP and NADP reductase. NADP, DPH plus H plus. These two are very important for the dark reaction because is important energy productions. Okay. Next, dark reaction introduced by a scientist name is Melvin Kelvin. Melvin. He is a scientist. Okay. Melvin Kelvin is introduced a dark reaction by using of a radioactive isotope C14 labeled radioactive isotopes is very important radioactive element. What is the application of radioactive element? Radioactive isotope. This radioactive isotope is used for the trace of dark reaction. Use the trace of dark reaction. In living organisms. Okay. Trace of dark reaction. What is the main organism selected Melvin Kelvin? Green alga. Green algae is very important. Okay. The dark reaction proposed by the Melvin Kelvin using of radioactive isotope C14. C14 radioactive isotope introduced in green alga observed the dark reaction, trace of dark reaction by using of radioactive isotope C14 labeled radioactive isotope in green alga. So this is a history of the dark reaction. Coming to the reactions of what are the mechanism and reactions of the dark reaction. What is the main dark reaction? The dark reactions completed in three pathways, three reactions. Okay. Three reactions. What are the reactions? First reaction is carboxylation reaction. Second reaction is reduction. Third one is regeneration of RUBP. Regeneration of RUBP. What is the RUBP? RUBP means ribulose bisphosphate, which is present in the plant leaf molecule. Ribulose bisphosphate. What is the RUBP full form? Ribulose bisphosphate. This pathway is catalyzed by the very important enzyme name is Rubisco. Rubisco is an enzyme present in the plant. What is the full form of the Rubisco? Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Carboxylase oxygenase. Okay, this is an enzyme most important in the plant for the synthesis of the glucose molecule in dark reaction. What is RUBP? RUBP is a ribulose bisphosphate, is a substrate molecule present in the plant. Okay, this is a very important substrate, this is an important enzyme. These two are very important for the synthesis of the glucose molecule. So these are the main important reactions observed in the dark reaction. First reaction is carboxylation, second reaction is reduction, third one is a regeneration of the RuBP. So this very important reactions observed in the dark reaction. This is the introduction and types of reactions observed in the dark reaction by the scientist Melvin Kelvin in the green alga by using of radioactive isotope C14. So this is the introduction part of dark reaction. Coming to the what is the main mechanism involved in the dark reaction. So these are reactions is a cyclic pathway. So the cyclic pathway. First, the starting substrate for the dark reaction is carbon dioxide. In the dark reaction, the starting substrate molecule is carbon dioxide. So, how many carbon dioxide molecule involved in dark reaction? First, totally 6 carbon molecules are involved in the synthesis of the glucose molecule. First, involved 3 carbon dioxide molecules, which is observed in the dark reaction by adding of ribulose bisphosphate molecule. So, one of the important CO2 molecule and combined with the RuBP. RuBP means ribulose bisphosphate molecule. How many molecules of RuBP molecules? Again, 3 molecules of ribulose bisphosphate molecules combined with the 3 CO2 molecule. Okay, ribulose bisphosphate is a pentose sugar. How many carbon atoms in the ribulose bisphosphate? 5 carbon compound. RuBP is 5 carbon compound. Totally 3 molecules of RuBP. Totally 3 5s are 15 carbons are involved in the dark reaction. This is starting dark reaction. So the Kelvin cycle is very important. The other name of the dark reaction is called Kelvin cycle. So because observed the scientist name Melvin Kelvin. So this name of the reaction is called Kelvin cycle. So another name of the reaction C3 pathway. C3 pathway. What is the name indication? What is the name indication? C3 means in the dark reaction, first stable compound is phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid. This is a short form of the phosphoglyceric acid. 3-PGA. 3-phosphoglyceric acid. First, coming to the reaction, in the dark reaction, 3 carbon dioxide molecule combined with the 3 RuBP molecules. Totally 6 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid. Acid is released by the enzyme Rubisco. Enzyme name is called Rubisco. So this is a very important enzyme. This reaction is called carboxylation reaction because addition of carbon dioxide to the RuBP molecule to produce the product name is called phosphoglyceric acid. So the phosphoglyceric acid is the first stable compound. This is a 3 carbon compound. The 3 carbon compound, 3 phosphoglyceric acid, totally 6 molecules of 3 carbon compound phosphoglyceric acid is released. So this again converted into 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid. Diphosphoglyceric acid by the addition of 6 ATP molecule converted into 6 ADP molecules plus inorganic phosphate. So this is the second reaction is reduction reaction. This is the carboxylation reaction because addition of carbon dioxide to the RuBP molecules to produce the phosphoglyceric acid. This is the first product. The continuation reaction is reduction reaction. The first reaction name is called carboxylation. Okay. This is the first reaction. Second reaction is reduction reaction. This is followed by the phosphoglyceric acid can be converted into 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid by the addition of 6 molecules of adenosine triphosphate molecule to produce 6 molecules of adenosine diphosphate and 6 molecules of inorganic phosphate. So this is a very important step in this reaction. By addition of phosphate at the carbon number third carbon. So this is a single phosphate group. By adding of another phosphates, so this is called 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid. Again the addition of 6 molecules of NADPH plus H plus. The release of 6 inorganic phosphate. So inorganic phosphates, this release of inorganic phosphates is adding only 6 ATP molecules, releasing of 6 ADP molecules. By the reaction name is called reduction reaction. Enzyme name is called reductase. Reductase. Process name is called reduction. The second reaction name is called reduction. First reaction is called carboxylation. Second reaction is called reduction reaction. Second one. By the enzyme called reductase enzyme. So the addition of hydrogens. So from the NADPH plus H plus to the 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid to produce the what is the main product? Phosphoglyceraldehyde. Phosphoglyceraldehyde. So this is very important product, glyceraldehyde. So how many molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde molecule is produced? Totally 6 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid produced. Totally the short form of the phosphoglyceraldehyde PGAL. Okay, this is called short form of the phosphoglyceric acid. Totally 6 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde molecules are synthesized from the 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid by addition of NADPH plus H plus. In this NADPH plus H plus, the hydrogen molecules are added to the substrate molecules. So the reaction name is called reduction, addition of hydrogen by the catalyzed by the enzyme called reductase. So the product name is called 6-phosphoglyceraldehyde. Totally 6 molecules. In the 6 molecules, single molecule, one molecule is utilized for the synthesis of glucose. Synthesis of glucose. This is the main important step. Okay. In this, 5 molecules are come back into the regeneration of RUBP molecule. So only one molecules are 1 PGAL is utilized for the glucose molecule. Remaining 5 molecules of 3 PGAL means phosphoglyceraldehyde. Totally the only 5 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde coming back into the regeneration of RUBP through the main important intermediate compound is called ribulose 5-phosphate. Ribulose 5-phosphate. This is an intermediate compound. By the addition of 3 ATP molecules converted into 3 ADP molecules. So this is a very important reaction. Only this third step is called regeneration of RUBP. Regeneration of RUBP molecule. This is the third step. So this is the third step. First step is carboxylation. Second step is reduction. Third step is regeneration of RUBP. In this reaction, 6 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde molecule, only single molecule of phosphoglyceraldehyde utilized for the synthesis of glucose molecule. Remaining 5 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde is come back into the regeneration of ribulose bisphosphate through the intermediate compound ribulose 5-phosphate by the removal of 2 inorganic phosphate. So the product name is called ribulose 5-phosphate. Again react with the 3 ATP molecules to produce 3 molecules of ribulose bisphosphate. The 5 carbon compound ribulose bisphosphate. How many RUBP molecules? 3 RUBP molecules. Totally 15 carbons are regeneration in the dark reaction. So the overall pathway is observed in the green alga by using of radioactive isotope C14. Radioactive isotope by using radioactive isotope by the scientist name is called Melvin Kelvin scientist. So this is the main mechanism is involved in the dark reaction. So the energy is consumed in the dark reaction is totally how many ATP molecules are utilized for the synthesis of the one molecule of glucose. So totally the ATP, how many ATP molecules are utilized? Totally 3 carbon compound, 3 molecules of carbon is introduced into the dark reaction. Only 3 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde is utilized. Again, this reaction is again second time is repeated. So the overall cycle is repeated one more. So the overall reaction is repeated to another time. So another 3 molecules of 3-PZAL. PZAL is produced totally 3 plus 3 glucose having a 6 carbon molecule. So this cycle is only provide 3 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde. The cycle is repeated once again. Produce 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde is produced. Totally 3 plus 3 6 carbon compound is produced. That is called glucose. So totally 2 times of cycles are repeated for the synthesis of single molecule of glucose in the dark reaction. So the energy budget is the ATP molecules. So single cycle is a single cycle carried out by using of 6 ATP molecules plus 3 ATP molecules. Totally how many ATP molecules in the one cycle is carried out? Totally 9 ATP molecules are utilized for the synthesis of the phosphoglyceraldehyde. This cycle is repeated 2 times. So into 2. Totally how many ATP molecules are utilized for the synthesis of glucose? Totally 18 ATP for the synthesis of single glucose molecule. How many NADPH molecules are utilized for the synthesis of glucose? Totally 6 into 2. Okay, single cycle utilize the 6 NADPH. So 2 times cycle is repeated. So 6 NADPH, 6 NADPH plus H plus is utilized into 2. So how many NADPH are utilized for the synthesis of single glucose molecule? Totally 12 NADPH. 12 NADPH plus H plus molecule is utilized for the synthesis of single glucose molecule. Single glucose molecule. So this is a very important step in this reaction. So how many ATP molecules are utilized for the synthesis of single molecule of glucose? Total 18 ATP. How many NADPH molecule are utilized for synthesis of glucose molecule? Total 12 NADPH molecules. This is a very important bits for the NEET. So the competitive exam, these are very important steps in the dark reaction. So totally 18 ATP molecules, 12 NADPH plus H plus molecules are utilized for the synthesis of single glucose molecule in the dark reaction. So this is a very important reactions in the dark reaction proposed by the Melvin Kelvin by using radioactive isotope C14 labeled. Which organism observed? Green alga. So first stable compound name is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. So the name is called the another name of the dark reaction is called C3 pathway. C3 means 3 carbon compound. First stable 3 carbon compound name is phosphoglyceric acid. So this is the main important bits and important mechanism reaction involved in the dark reaction.